Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Tutorial Tuesday. In this episode we're going to talk about ground balance on your Equinox and how important it may be. I'm going to show you a new toy that I received from Link Micro. Thank you very much, Link Micro. We are going to select the winner of last week's Would You Dig It, and at the end of this video I have another Would You Dig It contest giveaway for a $50 Amazon gift card. So let's get started. Okay guys, I don't know how well you're going to be able to hear today, but I am going to show you guys how to ground balance your Equinox. The very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start this up. I'm going to hold it down and we're going to go to factory preset. Once you see that FP, you can let go. Alright. So now I'm going to move this on over to beach 1 because I'm in the sand and I'm at the beach, right? I got Irene right here too. So guys, I want to remind you about Irene and Andrew's new channel. It's called Together for Treasure. I'm going to put a link in this video description as well, and also I'll pin a comment down below with a link to their channel, guys. You know they're such a fun couple. Jim loves them. He's adopted them. He's not letting them go. They're too much fun. I have too much fun on the beach with them, guys. And I know you guys are going to have fun with their channel. So don't forget to like and subscribe with them too, guys. And Andrew's right over there too.
I'm ground balancing mine.
That's how Andrew ground balances. All right. Now you know why he's unstable. All right, guys.
Boy, you guys do not know. No idea.
So guys, one of the very first thing I need to do is noise cancel because it's noisy. All right, then I'm going to take it over to volume. I'm going to take it to volume. I'm going to crank that up the highest I can go. Now I'm going to go all the way to ground balance. I'll show you the fastest, most easiest way to ground balance your Nox, and that's simply press this and you turn on auto track. Done. That's simple. Auto track, cake, right? But say you don't want to do it that way. All right, turn that and it's off. Right now you really can't hear it. You really need earphones on. But as I pump this, which you can't hear, I can't hear a thing, it would normally make a hum. All right, but because I can't hear a thing, I don't have my earphones on for this tutorial. And 0 is pretty close to being accurate on these beaches as far as default mode, so you really don't need to ground balance. But you also have auto ground balance. You can do it automatically by holding this down, the accept reject button. Hold it down and pump. You're not really changing anything. See that? That's a 0. Staying stable at 0. That's why it made no noise. All right, I'm going to show you a park next that you will need to ground balance. Okay guys, I'm at a park right now. I've already noise canceled. I've done everything. I'm in ground balance right now. Once again, the easiest method. Very first thing I'll tell everybody to do, you don't need a ground balance, really. If you're worried about it, hit auto track, right? I don't know if you can see that. Just by hitting an accept reject once, you're in auto track. That's it. I would say do that and be done with it, right? But if you don't want to do that, guys, I'm going to show you the manual method. Okay guys, before I do a auto ground balance, now auto ground balance is me holding that accept reject button and pumping it, right? I want to see how accurate I can be manually. Now, if I lift this up and down, you can hear a slight hum. Now, you hear that hum, right? Now, I'm going to move that up because it was quite the thud. I'm thinking, let's start at 15. That's a little bit quieter. But let's crank that up a little bit more, say like 25. Ooh, that's a little bit quieter. I think we can move that to about 32. Ooh, almost. Almost. So guys, I think right there at 35, I am set. So manually, I would say 35 is good. Almost 36. So 35, 36. All right, guys, I just finished the manual method and I zeroed it back down. Okay. Now I'm going to show you, see how accurate Jim was, right? So now that we've zeroed that out, I'm going to hold down the accept reject button while I pump. All right, that's a good breeze right there. Hopefully it's not too noisy for you guys. So I'm going to hold it down and I'm going to pump. Look at that, guys, right at 38. It's just right around where I was at. So that's how you do it. That's the best method possible. I would say it actually even step that down just a notch and I'd be happy at 36. All right, even though I let the Minelab, when I lift up, I can hear a little high tone. I don't know if you guys can, and I know with earphones it's much more precise. But guys, if you really want to dial in your knocks and have the best results, ground balance is going to provide the best results. But I will tell you, if you're hunting the beaches in Southern California, running default 0 is fine. All right, guys? So guys, that is my method of ground balancing. With the Equinox, it's very simple. And if you have any issues, just go into auto track, right? So I don't relic hunt a lot, but when I'm out in the desert, guys, ground balancing is important out there. It really is. And I tell you, I don't even ground balance with the Equinox. I run it in auto track. It's that simple. But I do like to play around with my equipment, and that's how we grow and we learn, right? And I want you guys to grow and learn with your Equinox too. So don't be afraid to go to the beach or a park or a field and try to manually ground balance, guys. Get that dialed in where your ears can hear it, because a long time ago in the 70s and 80s when Jim was really young and a young metal detectors, we had to ground balance our machines frequently. Back in the day, it was a lot of ground balancing, okay? Now, it's not so bad. That Equinox is fantastic. It does the work for you. So, when in doubt, I say stick it in auto track. And by the way, all summer, this summer, if you've noticed, when I'm in Beach 2, I'm in auto track, okay? All summer long, Beach 2, I've been running auto track, and I absolutely love it. I cannot guarantee I'm finding anything different or anything more, all right? Because I don't have a side-by-side comparison. I just feel I am. Link Micro sent this to me and said, hey, Jim, we know you're having a hard time seeing some of your finds, but we know your viewers want to know if that's a gold ring, all right? So this thing I've used twice in the field already, guys, and I'm going to show you a little clip of that. Man, I love it already, guys. It really is going to be part of my arsenal, and thank you so much, Link Micro, for sending this to me. Guys, I'll put in this video's description a link to it. I do believe it's available on Amazon. I haven't clicked on the link or anything yet. I'll put that link in this video. If you guys want to take a look at it, I absolutely love it. Just handheld, and I'm able to show you guys my finds. So guys, my camera wouldn't turn on, so I had to take the battery out, but I just dug this over here, and actually it wasn't too far. It was just really right out of that scoop, but my camera wouldn't turn on, so I really can't tell what it's made with yet. It is broken. You know what? I have a new device. I do. I have this device that this company sent me. They sent me an email saying, hey Jim, we noticed you're blind as a bat. You can't see, so their company's name is Link Micro. And since you're blind as a bat and can't see, we got you something that you might be able to use out in the field. So we're going to give it a shot today. Let's see. Let's take a look at the back of that cross. I think I see a 925. That chain is kind of gold colored, huh? Yeah, this device is actually pretty good. It's a ring. It's a ring. It's a ring. Ooh! I don't think that's bling. So I have a tool that Link Micro sent me. Oh my god, that is so sparkly that I think that's the real deal. This company Link Micro sent me this thing. It's a little bit big, but you know, it's supposed to help me help you guys see my finds a little bit better. Okay. Oh, it'd help if I cleaned it out, Jim. Jeez. Sorry, guys. Oh, there's markings there. What are the markings? Sorry, guys. It's hard to hold a magnifying glass like this. 14K. I got it upside down, but I just saw 14K. 14K. Oh, yeah. Let me turn my light back on. Oh my gosh. And thank you so much, Link Micro. Thank you so much for sending this to me. I absolutely love it already and cannot wait to be using this more often to show my viewers my good finds. Also, CKG reached out to me, right? And CKG said, Jim, guess what? We created a titanium beach scoop. You want to try it? You know what they said. We already mailed it to you, Jim. It's on its way. I haven't received it yet because it was just the other day, guys. So I'm looking forward to seeing that as well. All right. And thanking me for reaching that #1 spot. They said, Jim, we want to give away another beach scoop shaft to one of your lucky viewers, guys. And at 3,000 subscribers, by the time you guys see that, that's going to be my 3,000 subscriber giveaway. Is a beach scoop shaft from CKG, guys. So if you would like to win a CKG beach scoop shaft, and I have to find out if it's the solid one or if it's the travel shaft one, but it is going to be carbon fiber. I'm not sure which one they agreed to send yet, guys, and I'll get clarification of that next week of which one it is. But if you'd be interested, on a totally separate comment from your Would You Dig It's, because I know you're getting ready to see the Would You Dig It contest giveaway, right? All you need to do is put I love CKG, guys. It's all you got to do is put I love CKG in the comment below, and you're automatically entered into the contest giveaway, and I will be selecting that on a random draw next Tuesday, guys. So now let's select the winner of last week's Would You Dig It? Okay, guys, I got one here for you. And of course, you know I went with a low tone today, right? Would you dig it? And if you would dig it, comment below what you think it is, and you'll have a chance to win a $25 Amazon gift card. Guys, I'm going to go 90 degrees right here. All right, we'll go back. All right, comment below what you think it is, and you'll have a chance to win a $25 Amazon gift card that we will select in next Tutorial Tuesday. Okay guys, let's dig this one up. It's a platinum ring. So guys, nobody guessed platinum ring. Can you believe it? Nobody guessed platinum ring, so you know what that means, guys? It's a carryover. The skin carries over. So now, for a $50 Amazon gift card, guys, let's check this one out. Okay guys, I have one for you here. I'm in Park 1. Okay, and I'm gonna move it to all metal right now. Okay, and I did put a target right here for you guys, and because nobody guessed platinum ring last week, right, this is for a $50 Amazon gift card. So guys, let's check this one out. Let me go 90 degrees. Would you dig it? If you would dig it, comment below what you think it is, and you'll have a chance to win a $50 Amazon gift card that we will select in next Tutorial Tuesday. All right, let's go 90 degrees back here. Definitely sounds better this direction, huh guys? All right, let's dig this one up. Would you dig it? I dug it. Would you dig it? If you would dig it, comment below what you think it is, and you'll have an opportunity to win a $50 Amazon gift card that we will select in next Tutorial Tuesday. And guys, don't forget, if you want that CKG Beach Scoop shaft, all you need to do is put I love CKG in a totally separate comment. So you'll need, if you're doing Would You Dig It and you're doing the CKG, 2 separate entries, 2 separate comments. Make sure that happens, guys. Otherwise, one voids the other, okay? So guys, if you like my videos, please click like. If you want to see more, consider subscribing, ringing this bell, and receive all the notifications every time I release a new video. And please take a look at either one of these videos.